Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our southbound journey along Interstate 77 in the beautiful state of West Virginia. This route offers a blend of rich history and captivating geography, making for a truly enjoyable drive. Interstate 77 stretches from Cleveland, Ohio, to Columbia, South Carolina, traversing diverse terrains, including the mountainous landscapes of West Virginia. A significant portion of our drive takes us along the West Virginia Turnpike, an 88-mile toll road connecting Princeton and Charleston. Originally opened as a two-lane highway in 1954, it was later expanded to 4 lanes by 1987 to meet interstate standards. As we continue southward, the road gently winds through the Appalachian Mountains, offering views of thickly forested hillsides. During the fall, this area becomes particularly picturesque as the foliage transforms into vibrant colors. Approaching the southern end of our journey, we encounter the East River Mountain Tunnel, which carries I-77 through East River Mountain, connecting West Virginia and Virginia. Emerging from the tunnel, we arrive near Bluefield, known as nature's air-conditioned city due to its pleasant summer temperatures. The city's history is deeply rooted in the coal industry, which spurred its growth in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. West Virginia's rich heritage and natural beauty make drives like this truly special. Thank you for joining us on this journey along Interstate 77 in West Virginia.
Thanks for watching!